Today we introduce you with GMGS Pro V2. Hello, welcome to the new video. Today we'll be reviewing the GMGS Pro V2. Here you see the live account performance. Now you see the GMGS Pro V2 live signals. Today gain is plus 43.50%. See the Gowan graph. See the drawdown? See the trading history. Now let's jump into MT4 to see how this AI performs in real time. Here start the backtesting. Get link in description. Don't miss this incredible offer. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next time.